Let's check out this 8-port Gigabit PoE switch from TP-Link. It can supply a total of 153 watts across all ports, with each port maxing out at 30 watts. Here are some shots of the packaging in case you want to pause the video and check anything out. Definitely solid packaging with the device suspended by foam ends. Alright, here's the unit. It has two little switches on the left side. The first switch is for extended mode for powering devices over 100 meters away, up to 250 meters. When enabled, this applies to only ports 1 and 2, and those ports will operate at 10 megabit instead of gigabit. All other ports support powering devices up to 100 meters away. The second switch enables a recovery feature on ports 1 through 8, which constantly detects data transmission from PoE-powered devices. When the switch finds a device that stops sending data to the switch for a long period, it will attempt to automatically reboot the device. According to the manual, the switch comes with a lightning protection mechanism and has a grounding terminal on the back. TP-Link has a lightning protection guide on their website that has good additional information, especially if you're running cable outside. Okay, here are the mounting brackets that it comes with if you're going to set the switch up on a rack. It also comes with a bag of little rubber feet that you can use to protect your desktop surface if you aren't mounting the switch in a rack. Let's put the mounting brackets on and set this thing up on my small 2-post rack. Stick around for the end of the video where I turn the switch on so you can hear the loudness of the fan in case that's something important to you. Okay, let's try this out on my rack that I have sitting on my workbench. I'm going to install it on the wall, but I wanted to test fit all my hardware before doing that. Note that the switch only comes with mounting brackets and doesn't come with any rack mounting hardware like cage nuts or screws. You'll have to supply your own, which isn't really a big deal. Okay, I like how this is looking. Let's power the switch on now that I have everything officially mounted onto the wall. Sorry for the shaky video, but plugging in the power is a bit tricky to do one-handed. It's not totally silent in this room. You can hear my NAS running in the background, but this will give you a good idea for how loud the switch is. When it first turns on, the fan kicks into high mode and then dials itself back to a more quiet setting. I think the noise level is pretty reasonable, but I wouldn't want this installed next to me sitting at a desk or near the TV. Okay, well that's it. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll catch you in the next one.